Hey, what's up? I'm Nate Chen, and today it's kind of cold and there's not a whole lot of car stuff going on, but AEM Intakes did send me a new filter for my SC300, which I've had this thing forever. So thought I'd put it in. It only takes 2 seconds. I already popped the hood. Well, undid the latch and literally just have to undo these clips to take the old dirty filter out. And let's open this up. And just plop it in there like that. And then shut the thing. So yeah, pretty simple. It took all about a minute or two. The reason why you don't want to use one of those like HKS like mushroom cloud things is they actually like disintegrate over time. So very quickly they get really old and they fall apart, and then they actually can shoot into your MAF sensor, or that's at least what happened on my S14. And when that happens, it wipes out your MAF sensor and it kind of ruins your day unless you have a backup MAF sensor. Also, eBay style filters tend to actually not perform very well. As you can imagine, it's from eBay, so they actually hurt your performance over a stock airbox and stock filter. So if you're gonna upgrade your filter, you might as well do it with a brand like AEM Intakes that makes something that's actually usable and actually delivers the performance you want, versus something that is just gonna be cheap and you think is gonna help, but it's not. With that being said, filters are super cheap, so I don't understand why you wouldn't just buy the right one instead of, you know, a knockoff. Another great feature about these filters compared to normal filters is they're actually reusable and cleanable. So you actually only have to buy one once and then you can clean it. And again, the mushroom style things, I think you have to buy like the filter thing probably at least once a year. And if you, again, just forget about it and don't actually buy it, then it literally falls apart and shoots into your MAF sensor again, which bad times. I wish everything was this easy in terms of getting power out of a car for the cost and the time it took to do this. I mean, I literally was doing it with one hand. So it tells you how easy it is. Even if you don't understand how to work on cars, it's not a problem because you can figure this one out yourself too. So until next time, I'm Nate Chen.